Even the man I get and taking a quam video in Chole few days ago, but I was carried away. But upon scrolling through the internet and we forgot something that related to it, so my mind came back to it. Few days ago, my videos in Andy by another about some million or less number than million hammer. Now, let's talk about something. Allegedly, because allegedly, according to this video, not quite in the neighbor. So before then, the end of this video.
After the sentence of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, after the final judgment of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in court, ihe ka ha go. Allegedly. Onye na-obi ụtọ na-atọ na-eji ute nye nwanne ya. Onye na-agba egwu na ihe eji nye nwanne ya bụ ute. Napụrụ maka this boy. Leave me alone. Sorry. Onye na-enwe aṅụrị na ihe eji nye nwanne ya bụ ute. Mbosi nke ọmara ka osi ka ya eji doba n'ili. If you did egwu because he lives there, no problem. No problem. Without being told, I am ndị mere Mazi Nnamdi Kanu ihe. Allegedly, nwere okwu onye kpọrọ afọ. Biko ka anyị watch this video. Ka anyị na watch ya. Ka anyị na-agbasa. Inweta gbasa ma drop ọrụ anyị opinion gị. Ka emesịa.
Because he lives on my fears are gone. Because I know he knows my future. My life is worth a living joy because he lives. Because he lives, I can face tomorrow. Because he lives, all my fears are gone. Because I know he knows my future. My life is worth a living joy because he lives. So he lives. We can face tomorrow because he lives. All my fears are gone because I know he knows our future. Our fears are gone. I live in God because he lives.
Because he lives.
Distinguished. Yes, Excellency.
Yes.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you. So allegedly, allegedly. As in this video, some Igbos, including Nwaka for a popular senator, former governor, Chiburu one state in nearby, Mwanja Bagalila around the library because Okumbo allegedly. As in no Iguan Wakahana Gumbo, how for having the final verdict of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. And they were busy making rejoicing. This is this dance about actually their sound track. And will him enjoy to go down and chole nkomakia. Now, and will be some of them outside you kalayama. And will be outside you kalayama. For example, I always talk out of experience. Because I was always to BPMP something Maggie. It is very easier to be registered in your mind growing up than to get to something Maggie. Why am I saying so? Mba no gwa so when we are not at this if they work at ndugu na akoko ibana of kokonde Christians no, or they can only drop you na the edge of your street. They can't enter inside. Ono ma him neko enwe lo gbe ya bi ilue asigo ke baye n'ime ikona drop onya n'ihu ya dia mana enwere mgbo ya bili if they were ha no gbo imana something is wrong. These guys can communicate with our social media. Ya nangwa gimba enwere ihe deka WhatsApp apụta kwa mbone e use big phone tupu WhatsApp apụta. Here it now. E use big phone because mgbe WhatsApp apụta there is nothing like Android phone. Or Android phone will put WhatsApp. Mgbe ihe nwere mgbe ahụ Java phone and Symbian phone. Ihe nwere mgbe bụ Java phone and Symbian phone. For a lot of us that have the privilege of using Java phone, Express Music, those time, Nokia Express Music, all those ones, those are some of the blockbuster films I use. Then Symbian phone will be the potawa. That was when you can actually minimize, do other things. Before phone touch screen, then you can now begin to pass away from the era of to go. Migrate is your mind to WhatsApp because it is more easier to communicate and it is not stressful like to go. Go coins and interaction to go room. Whatever that kind of thing. Once this person number go on your number, you guys can communicate on WhatsApp. Even on your original number, you can actually send them message on WhatsApp. That is how it all started. Again, a brief history. Now let us delve into what we are seeing. Obviously, these guys can communicate without social media. Once having a meeting, they can seal up their lips for 50 years. In that meeting, how you bring away at their grave, their neighbor cannot hear it. Their neighbor cannot hear it. They will obey that person with the last drop of their blood. That is how these people work. That is how they operate. That is what they believe in. Manandi by successfully. Let me go successfully. Take for example, get a mother wiki Bashan Kataka is where capture business idea. When kissing as your idea, achieve, push the aside. Now, the reason that these people have other kahana are in food be kali why we ourselves I am an Igbo support one. Igbo support one very, very well. And Igbo man ya one we to man one ya like Igbo only a slave. Go here now, go to Sabon Market, Sabon Tesha, Naibawa. Just travel to Kano. Go to all those market area feature the Hausa millionaires. They want a shop for 15 years. When you work family, also see your choice now, see okay, 10,000, 20,000, now support your family. The allergy can even marry wife for the person. Man, for them to allow you to become free on your own, they cannot. It is okay some of them and the bachelor boy they don't say to you. Mananda can practice new modern slavery. New modern slavery. The again is because I have been good. I have seen, I have sat with them. Mbaha shop I know Badu to shop silk. You have to divide that shop into two. On now somewhere the shop on Ibatagire half here, only Igbo half. So okay, my better na that shop sometimes. You don't know shop who phone my mama na idea bo. Na that shop where ben boy they have. Only Igbo no na shop, only answer no na shop. Staying together. And I've never for one day no kahabalamba or na megine na haseloko. Till no chakwa di poor. Man again only Yoruba man no like that. So now hinje kulokwa is that na ndi anwa ba nkata they can seal it. But why is it difficult for us and Igbo can win nkata onu without outside any high. That is one of the things that registered in my mind. Not as if Nanda Kaya Mamo, Nandezia the show of shame. If truly you have a joke that an Igbo person now more common name, okay. If you get Bonyaosa, a very wealthy Onyaosa pota condemn one in here shake Gumina in Nigeria today. They cannot do it. That is why I'm saying that these people cannot support evil and they still practice new modern slavery. Nabeha. So Yana Wagina is a verified report. So this video you watch it because I'm say allegedly now. Odoro verified man according to a bicycle as no in melano. So because even if the video was posted immediately after Mazi, I don't know. If the video was posted before or a few days after, I don't know. That is how I saw it and that is how I reposted it. So you have for the video in before my speech is allegedly. Do. So guys can see disclaimer there. So kina na check this video. Kabaro subscribe on our video. Go the one.